Bennett. Look at that face. The little toes. Hiccups. What are you doing, buddy? You looking up at the sky?